Hi guys, today I want to talk about Trimble Installation Manager. So if you have a Trimble hardware like a TSC3 or R10 or R12, whatever it might be, if it is within your warranty limits, then you can upgrade your software. Now Trimble has made it easy lately by downloading and installing Trimble Installation Manager. 2 versions or 3 versions, one for Android, one offline, one for online. So the online one is when you install it, then you plug in your hardware, it will go online, check your warranty and gives you options. Offline, you have to preset the installation manager by inputting the serial number and all that stuff. Then it will create a file for you, and that would be then you can run it offline and it would upgrade your device. Android, I have no idea, I never played with that one. So I have took the liberty and downloaded the online one, so let's install it here. Double click the installation file, confirm that you are sure you want to install it because you double clicked on it, and it should be really agreed to terms and it should be really quick. Boom. Now we need a piece of hardware, so let's go and grab the TSC3 which I have here. Okay, so there is lots of stuff over there, so let's found the cable here. Let me plug the TSC3 in and see if we can get this going. Bear in mind, this is my first time I'm plugging this into this computer, so let's see what it's gonna do. Windows Mobile started, and I might have to apply the fix because I never plugged it into this computer. So as you can see, oh no, it's good, it's good. As you can see, it automatically detected my TSC3 with the serial number, and its latest release was 2017-24. So it's giving me a list of updates which I can put on this controller. I guess I got the latest release I could. So if you had a new one, which you can do is click on 2017-24 and it should upgrade, install it and upgrade it. Prior to installing anything, I would definitely back it up, especially your survey files. But what I want to do is I want to double check this TSC, the SCS 900 version. And as you can see, there is the new one, 3.75. And yeah, I can definitely install that. Let's give it a try. Let's hit install and see what it does. Hopefully it will install it easily. Yeah, your device is set up. So I'll just hit finish and let's turn it on unplug it here. Yeah, and as you can see, it says 3.75, even though I had 3.74 before I plugged it in. So 3.75, 200, build 54. As simple as that. If you have appropriate cable, no issues at all. Real quick update. Hope you found this informative. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, like, whatever. Don't forget to check out our webpage. Some exciting videos coming soon, and we'll see you next one.